and we're honoured to receive this award amongst some really strong competition. This is probably the award that means the most to us because our customers are everything to us. They're the reason why we exist, and everything we do is because of them. So I think I just want to say a huge thank you to all of the clients that have supported us and been our advocates over the 5 years that we've been in business. And I also want to take this opportunity just to thank the advisor and the sponsors for putting on these awards. It's great to bring the industry together like this, and we do have a great industry. We have the power to make a difference in people's lives every day, and you know, it's fantastic when you can do something that you love every day and make a difference. So keep making a difference. Thank you. And a massive thank you to the Rise High team because they're absolutely amazing.
Let's hear it for Rise High as well. Broker of the Year, ladies and gentlemen. The award is presented